Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Abrahusem bi esi ewo Western region. Na you see matters like this one. Na asem a meka ne say embra miswa no. Na mete say obi ekun ne ho a. De meka ne say nipa ko nso wasɛ papa aden na obekun ho. Me yɛhwɛ sɛ wa wotie me kra wakasa nsɛm ne pɛn. Na se wiase we mu se bibim fa weni ase ana wobi emfa bibim diwo ana se chale bibim ba beto wo so ma wonko depression mu a you never understand those who kill themselves. I am telling you. Gana pe and ye who mental health. Say masa mental health we don't give attention to men. But they take mental health really serious because one way ya obekun ho. So we are depressed. I want to be and take depression now obekun ho. Since then, I learned more on mental health and I saw say things like this one. Any kwan say ebia udi nipa konatem. Ebia na adia nipa kono wo fam no unim. Arahosem ene saying na mema mo story no na me wia adie bia na metie during this week. Muslims call been saying bia wakan during this week because I know how people might react to this particular story. That's why I'm just laying those points down. Asem ne say Jomoro police Jomoro municipal police commander. You can't municipal the whole municipal was no police commander. The friend is superintendent Zebrain Zenge. Abrahosem and say superintendent we kun ne ho ya wa boni ho tio ekun ne ho e wo no ankasa ne bangalo mu wa mo koye no wa tro note ato ne nchen ade a wa tro ne say I am fed up in this world. We say ewiase kra no afono no as to what is making him and now what made him fed up in this world no as of now we don't know because police for no they are not speaking on the issue. Until as of now, ye nim the man ye fed up no. But ube to me the word junior fefa ho. Ebe to me eba say bia aware ho nsem, ebe to me aba say bia sika ho nsem, ebe to me anything say just say anything at all. Family matter, whatever. Ebe to me aba say ye no. Ena chese akwose sa de no. Police ni within 57 years. Now aka 3 years per now account retirement. At least if for nothing at all na sisi an wo hwe single spine buy ninti no police for retirement omo enjoy it. At least omo pay any benefit no na a mode to find. And this person is a superintendent. If you don't know what's going on, and I say unim police ranks now. My main church now who say we were common floor member. The whole Jomoro municipal the whole Jomoro municipal assembly and the whole Jomoro municipal no. He was the police commander. Let me just check one thing for you. The ranks police, Ghana police no. Mami read in so that you see say enya agro. Me person me dey me phone I'll just give a command on my phone because I'm speaking into my voice command on my phone na just a video my and then we all know. Maybe hey Google, what is the police ranks in Ghana?
According to Wikipedia, superior officers, Inspector General of Police,
hey
Deputy
Google,
Inspector.
What are the police ranks in Ghana?
Here's a summary from Yenda.
It's here for me. I'm very sorry, pa. Me person me yena nkrofutie. Now I have the ranks right in front of me. Because I want people to understand something. Story ne dey me dey need now, but yen to me my story way without explaining things for people to understand. Story ne dey need now, but you see, this is one thing. I want people to understand. Se nipa kuno, we need to take it serious. Now, let me give you, before we come to the police ranks, let me give you video ameka say within the week me share a year scholar American scholar bi o say ohun say wo bi ko bibi mu na nipa ko no or abuse drug and nipa ko ni kun ne ho and nipa ko ni ye bibia. The best thing you can say is say obeda nyankopon say nyankopon in social eba nipa ko we so no me da was say san social no emba me so. It was a Muslim scholar video bi and me share sa de no and I can say papa wa kanya nsasem. Now the reason why our cancer say was say ebia san social no akose nipa ko ne so ebia eba wo so a na ke ebia de obeye ne kranye. We don't know what happened to this policeman. But what they answer say ebia ne yere ne ha no. Please, we don't know. But I'm just saying say ebia because esi pen say enkrofo ebia aware a wo moko mu ntomo ku omo ho. But the answer say ebia na kan ne yere ne ha no. It could have been worse in the sense that we've seen it before. I reported it on this channel before. Wobi sa okun ne yere ekun ne ba eno okun onu ankasa ne ho. It could have been worse. Inti asemo as scholar ne kan no o say wo hu say bibi say tu obi a don't pass any bad comments. Dan nyankopon ase say nyankopon me da ase say san social ne paku we wo kom mu no me da ase say wan ma bia mba me so. Ana say bompa ye tra nyankopon say in social ne paku we kom mu no nyankopon me da me bompa ye say ma ebi emba me so because ebia eba wo so a de wo be ye no enye bini. Now let's go to the police rank because I want to establish a fact so people know. Enya kwa share kwa nkwanchen police ni bia Ghana police ranks ni ube free constable wako lance corporal na wako corporal ufi corporal ya na wako sergeant ufi sergeant ya na wako chief inspector muntie niye ufi chief inspector ya na wako subordinate police officers ufi ho ya na wako assistant superintendent ufi assistant superintendent ya na wako deputy superintendent. So what free deputy superintendent ya ansa na wo beko superintendent. Wa wo hwe ranks ya making. Ayakwa kodu police superintendent your friend of Zebrin Zenga eso hu ne say oyobi a wa ko enim because mabobo ranks be 9 ansa na wo no eba. Obi a wo police mu bi enu sunim. Ye bobo ranks na edu ho a won say yes. Police commander papa commander mupa and at the same way akwa. It can happen to anyone. It can happen to anyone. Mr. Ramo, what I'll say after this, they say, if you feel you are going through something, please open up. So we feel say assembly air how open up. Now you see and America no abroad. I don't know if Ghana I would want to believe there's a system like that, just that a lot of people don't know. There are a lot of psychological centers. In fact, ebia na wo mo numbers kra. So if something is going on and I will feel say, Charlie, I am depressed, you can call them and psychologists will attend to you free of charge. I want to believe. That is how serious they take mental health. I don't know whether something like that is common in Ghana, but you see, a lot of people don't even know whether indeed it is there or not. These are people who are trained and are supposed to be having good or strong mental health, but even them, they are falling to depression. Who reading notes now? Obibeka say, how did you know say you're depression? Well, reading notes now. Just say, I say, I am fed up in this world. You are saying, no. Mr. Remo, if you are going through something, call someone and talk to. If you are going through something, me melody samiti hey, me know be a psychologist, but I told the big grand for frame. I catch melodies and I'm going through this. I send me that omonim a foot to meet him their mono. Me be more me Kailas gan and Nibia, Okodi Obiachia, a year ya unim ye deno ecosi India or said some place visa. Artists will go through a lot and no frame. And I didn't have expertise, but the best I could do is say I was able to at least calm her down and direct her to the right authorities. me ka kyerɛ ne sɛ on de bibie ni a one frame me back. Please. Hey ya. Mo try mo adwon comment box ni mo.